Hi, this is Newell with Warmboard in beautiful Park City, Utah, on a full gut remodel of a townhouse just outside of Park City, using our R panel and our natural gas boiler for our comfort system. Custom routes around walls in our R panels. Leave the tubing out here where the island goes in the kitchen. Tubing comes right in here, manifold will be mounted in the wall. We'll go up to the third floor. Originally the manifold was going to be on the closet side right here, and they're going to put the access panel from the hallway because they've added cabinets in the closet. The template's set up to do a custom route. The panels go right under the shower. Tubing will run in there as well, and we'll keep the shower floor nice and warm.